Alright, I've been playing around with Unreal Engine and with Godot for the last few months, and here are a list of improvements that Godot could use and that they are implemented on Unreal Engine. Well, first of all, when you are playtesting your game inside Unreal Engine, you can right click and there is a little button that says play from here. And you can play and playtest your game in the editor from any position in the world. This is not possible inside Godot Engine. When you hit play, you will always start where your current camera and player begins. So it would be awesome to have a play from here to playtest the level and to build it easier. Inside Unreal Engine, when you select an object, you can press the spacebar and it will switch between the three editing modes: the change position, change rotation, and change scale. This is not possible inside Godot Engine, but we have to press the W, E, and R to change between these few modes, and it would be awesome to have a shortcut to change between these three states. Please bear in mind, I'm not complaining at all. I love Unreal Engine and I love Godot, but these are some little improvements that Godot could use and some little ideas. So when you press a hotkey inside the Unreal Engine, you can open a console command. That this console command can only be opened in the debugging process and not in the final build. So when you type out, for example, stat unit, you can see on the left of your screen how many frames and your game is running and how much it takes it to process the stuff. The command for the FPS is stat FPS, and here you can see at how many FPS your game is running. So that's awesome, and I think that could benefit a lot to Godot, because if you want to see your current FPS, well, you have to make a GT script and a label, and a lot of stuff has to be implemented, or you can just monitor your game with the profiling tools it has inside the engine, but it doesn't have those tools in the game itself. So anyway, of course, there is no proper landscape editor inside Godot Engine. There is a plugin, but I see no real efforts to implement a landscape officially inside the editor. Currently, you have to model a mesh inside Blender and import it to Godot Engine. I think that's all really. What other things do you think could be implemented inside Godot that exist in other engines? Well, that's all that I could think of at the moment, but there's probably more room for improvement. See, I wanted to select this little guy, but I didn't have the select hotkey selected. What? So anyway, please comment and I'll see you in the next video.